Ken, and welcome back to Miss DUI Arizona. In our last video, we discussed some different criminal offenses that involve the use of a gun or a deadly weapon. This video will discuss Arizona's laws involving prohibited possessors, or those people who are not allowed by law to have a gun. A prohibited possessor is defined under the law as someone who has been found to be a danger to themselves or others, or someone who has been convicted of a felony who has not had their civil rights restored, or someone who is on probation for a domestic violence offense. It also includes someone who is on probation for a felony offense, or on a work furlough, house arrest, or other release program. It also includes someone who is an undocumented alien, or someone who has been declared by a court to be incompetent or insane. There are other circumstances too, so please check out our upcoming videos or our website for more information. A person who is defined as a prohibited possessor commits misconduct with weapons just by having possession of the weapon. It is also a crime for another person to sell or transfer a deadly weapon to a prohibited possessor. The first is a Class 4 felony, and the second is a Class 6 felony. Upon conviction for a felony gun offense, the court shall order the weapon to be forfeited and sold within 1 year of the conviction. The court also has the ability to order the forfeiture of the weapon in a conviction for the possession of a firearm during the commission of a separate felony offense. The laws and statutes that I have described here are state laws and do not describe any separate federal penalties for being a prohibited possessor in possession of a firearm. Those laws and the federal penalties for illegally possessing a firearm will be addressed in a separate video. Resolving charges related to prohibited possession of firearms is the first step to restoring your Second Amendment rights. To learn more about how to defend yourself against these allegations, contact the Behan Law Group at 520-220-5047. You can also visit our website at www.missduiarizona.com. Call us at 520-220-5047 and let Miss DUI Arizona fight for you too.